Hi guys, today let's explore the creative process of customizing gradients in Canva. Adding a personal touch to your elements with a pop-up color can truly elevate your design. So ready to dive into the details? Let's get started. Okay, so begin by selecting the specific elements in your Canva project that you'd like to enhance with a gradient. Now this could be text, shapes, or any other design element. Now look towards the top of your editor toolbar and spot the color tile. It usually resembles a paint bucket icon. Now just click on it to open up the color options. Now once you're in the color options, just scroll down to find the gradient section as this is where the magic happens. Now explore the default gradient options provided by Canva. Just click on the one that catches your eye or matches your design concept. And within the selected gradient style, you will often find an option to further customize the color. Just enter the gradient editor to refine your choices. Also, in the gradient editor, identify the color stops representing different points in your gradient. Just go ahead and click on each stop to choose a specific color. Just play with the color palette or input exact color codes for precision. And that's it. Feel free to add more color stops between existing one to create a multicolor gradient. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.